and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be talking all about spicy food. So I'm going to be giving you guys the 5 best reasons that you guys should be eating spicy food. Now, hint hint, I don't like spicy food myself, so maybe some of these reasons will kind of pull me out of my comfort zone and want to try some. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So, I don't know why, but anything spicy makes me think of like red or like deep reds or whatever. Every time I can like see a color on food, I'm like, is it spicy? Like the color, it looks like it's spicy. No. So I was looking for something like red or orange or something to wear in this video, and I literally have nothing red. I have like a cranberry. So this is what we've got. So spices have a whole host of health benefits and nutrients and things like that. Now, I'm not saying I don't like spices. I'm saying I don't like spicy food. Like, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below if you like spicy food or if you don't. Literally, like, everyone in my family likes spicy food and hot sauce and cayenne pepper and all this stuff. And I'm just like, how do you even enjoy it when your mouth is on fire? Like, I feel like at a certain point you can even taste what you're eating and it's just like your mouth is on fire. Like, what is enjoyable about that? Am I crazy? I don't know. I'm not into it. But I am into, other spices. Like, I love cinnamon. I love cumin. I use turmeric in my rice. I use garlic in literally everything. I use cumin. I use spices. Just don't like spicy. But now let's get into the 5 benefits and we'll see if I'm even convinced. So there was a study done by Harvard and China National Centers for Disease Control and Prevention that did a study and showed that if you eat spicy food 6 or 7 days a week, lowered mortality rates by 14%. What? Like what? I need to know why. If someone knows why, let me know in the comment section below. Or if you want me to figure out why, I will do all the research on Harvard and figure out why. Number 2 is that spicy food speeds up your metabolism. Now I know this one. So this one is, when you're eating these spicy foods, or not just spicy foods in this instance. This is spices like cumin and things that I was talking about earlier, but spicy foods and peppers and stuff too. They can raise your metabolic resting rate and lower and suppress your appetite. There was also a study that found turmeric suppressed the fat tissue growth in mice. Interesting. Now, am I saying that, in the morning I'm going to put cinnamon on my farina and I'm just going to watch the pounds disappear? No. But I'm just telling you some benefits, and if you hit a plateau or something like that and you want to try something new, something different, why not? It's not hurting anyone. Number 3 is that spices combat inflammation. Now this goes way back. Inflammation is nothing new here, and things like ginger or garlic, things like that have been used forever to treat things from headaches to arthritis to all sorts of different things. Number 4 is that spices can help try to fight off the cancer cells. So capsaicin is found in chili peppers. I hope I'm saying that right. I've mentioned it before in my channel, but it's found in chili peppers. And it has been shown to slow and destroy cancer cells. So there was a study in UCLA that did this on mice with prostate cancer. So the capsaicin inhibited the growth of the prostate cancer in the mice. And it also left the healthy cells unharmed, which is huge. It doesn't just destroy everything. And number 5 is that spices help kill bacteria. So cumin and turmeric are known to have antioxidant properties. They're known to have antimicrobial properties. So that means they just can be used to, help fight off bad bacteria in your body. Now, I don't know about you, but these 5 benefits seem pretty good to me. And now knowing that it doesn't have to just only be spicy foods, that I feel like I'm dying to get some benefits out of them, I might put some of these things to the test or incorporate them more in my diet. What about you? But that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. And share this video with anybody who loves spicy food, and even those that don't, because maybe they'll learn something. But as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.